Day of the Dead in SLC.
Hi, my name's Elaine and I'm here with
Angie Veloz.
and we're here for the celebration of Day of the Dead here at SLC Kingston. So tell me, what does Day of the Dead mean to you?
I feel like it's a huge part of a connection with my country, and it feels like so heartwarming to have a day to commemorate the lives of the ones that passed, and also the fact that we are all the same when we go to the death realm.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much and don't miss other events from SLC.